lovely people. I am your certified mold inspector here to talk to you about window condensation and mold growth in living rooms. Now, living rooms, much bigger area, able to hold air in a much bigger volume. Um, Over here, we're dealing with condensation buildup on these windows, heavy condensation buildup actually, because it's damaged the material below. Um, I have mentioned about these type of curtains, guys. Do not use these curtain guys. They are just porous in nature. Cloth material should never be pressed against areas where water is being produced or where it can be produced. Over here we have a vent. Remember what we spoke about last time? Air rises and tries to escape out of the house. Cold air from the outside tries to come in. You guys know Canada, crazy weather out here. So over here I'm going to show you the condensation buildup that I was speaking about. And when you get condensation buildup like this, what's going to happen next is this lovely mold, as you can see. Yuck. So again, aluminum material, casings, vinyl, which typically what windows are made of, are not porous material. So mold will not penetrate and damage that material, but it will damage the paint. It will damage the caulking, the sealant. So it will compromise the sealant that's around it, and you're going to have to remove it. But the mold can be cleaned up. Over here, we have water streaks. So this is one area of interest. We want to make sure that this water hasn't penetrated the drywall. We want to find out actually if it's damaged the drywall, if mold's got behind this drywall, that you could see the water staining. And behold, yes, the drywall is impacted. So we always start at a smaller portion depending, we use our judgment, but the mold seems to be going up. So we have to continue. And guys, we at Ultimate Mold Crew, we don't stop until that mold is gone. We will not leave anything. We like to remove everything. We have to, right? That's what we're there for. Now we move over to the next area. Over here we see the water damage, very evident. We want to find out if this water has penetrated through, if any mold's gone onto the opposite side. So we take our handy dandy little moisture meter, test the ground, the laminate, hardwood, and we test the other wood material, and it shows that it's not that wet, but we have to remove it. We want to make sure that the mold hasn't transferred over. Remember guys, it takes 24 to 48 hours for mold to grow. 24 to 48 hours. So once something is impacted, you want to get rid of that, dry the material or remove it immediately. So we see here mold has transferred on the other side of the baseboard, but we want to make sure that this drywall is not wet, right? So we take once again our moisture meter, test the walls, make sure 1%, 2%, so we know that this drywall can stay. Hallelujah, we're good to go. Guys, this is the aftermath. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Go to www.ultimatemoldcrew.ca for more information on mold. Peace and love. MC.